sila nagkuan. BL.
Olympic on the other side of the ball. Guided by Panay. Coming up out. Mansuarez on the pass to Iroho. Iroho drives inside. Wala. Nakuha ni Andalas. Olympic secures the rebound. Olympic on the pass to Secretario. To Shasico. Heavily guided by Mansuarez on the pass. Atapik to Secretario for 3. Iroho on the pass to Mansuarez. Pagkakasuda. Nakuha ni Mr. Villacan pa. Well, Villacan who always using the ball. Finds Mr. Pumikpik. Pumikpik breaks on the 3-point line. Finds Mr. Secretario again for 3. Score 6-0. Iroho. Iroho for 3. Patatubunga. Secretario on the pass inside. Nakuha ni Mr. Alasad ang bola. Alasad. Mansuarez. Second throw. Secretario guided by Iroho. Terhadap front off. Nakawala gamit dyan sa Siko. Guided by Iroho. Pumikpik. Fakes on the 3-point line. Finds Mr. Shasico for 3. Wala. Destin got the ball. Destin heavily guided by 2. On the pass to Mr. Mansuarez. Mansuarez. Secretario. Nakawala. Andalas. Andalas wala. On the pass to Mansuarez. Mansuarez drives inside, back blocks. To Bessin, takes on the 3-point line. Uy! Grabe game mo si Bessin. Drops. Wala. Andalas ano naman si Secretario. Mansuarez for 3. Wala. In and out. Mansuarez again gets the rebound. Mansuarez drives it inside. Wala. Alasad. Pick up. 3 team fouls. Alasad in the second throw, wala. And it come up. Alasad is there. Andalas. Nagmamadal si Mr. Andalas. Pinoy step, wala. Nag-eliminate the ball. Nakala Mr. Mansuarez. Mansuarez on the pass to Mr. Alasad. Late. Wala. Alasad. Secretario. Uy! Got the ball. Snatch by Mr. Alasad. Usad. Secretario. Loto, Villacusan. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Villacan pa ang bola. Villacan pa on the pass to Secretario. Slowing down the game. Finds Mr. Shasico. Shasico drives inside. Kill drop. Loto for 3. In and out. 30 seconds. 35 seconds. 22 seconds. 20. 15. 10. 3, 2, 1. Bessin for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Alberto ang bola. Devo on the pass. Interoso. Looking for a play. Traps inside. Wala. In and out. Yapon. Put back to. Wala na Yapon. Pero secures the rebound. Pero on the pass to Interoso. Pass forward from Jorge Aponia. Interoso on the pass inside. Pinatapit ang bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Labusa ng bola. Nanay. Tagdol. Nakuha na Aponia. Iari ka ng bola. Ito Mansuarez. Iari na faster coming from Mr. Labusan. Mansuarez using his defender. Lays it up. Pero finds Mr. Bejo. Entroso. And Suarez for 3. Wala. Wala na yung Bejo. Is there. Ano ba ito yung Entroso? Entroso. Hesitates. Wala. Natapik ang bola. Besin is there to pick it up. Besin takes on the 3-point. 15 to shoot. Mensuaez. Alasada. On the pass. El Rojo for 3. Wala. Alasada. Shasico. On the rebound, Entroso. Finds Mr. Alforge. Alforge on the low post. Alforge. Finding Mr. Berho. 10 to shoot. Total. Mensuaez. SPPA. Pero 15 to shoot. Lays it up. Wala. Nagilagan ang kapag grade para na kanila ang bola. Total. Secures the rebound. Entroso. Pero looking for a receiver. Finds Malasarte for 3. Napingis. Pero on the pass to Mr. Entroso. Fakes on the 3-point line. Grabe mo. Pero for Mr. Alforque on the pass to Entroso. Entroso scrambling for the ball. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. Mensuaez drives inside. Alasad is there for the steal. Finds Mr. Mensuaez. Mensuaez floats to Bejo again. Heavily guarded. 15 to shoot. Entroso. Alforque hesitates on the 3-point. Nakuha ni Mr. Mensuaez ang bola. Iwara na pagkaroon ng Mr. Mensuaez. Mensuaez pantang sa atak. Nahayari na rin ang bola. Tulambusan. Why? Nista. Entroso. Mensuaez lays it up. Dali ang pick-pick. Pumikpik is there for today. Pumikpik, 59 seconds remaining. Alforque to pumikpik. Pumikpik to De La Rosa. For 3. Dagi. 15 to shoot. Alforque for 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 to shoot. Villacampa for 3. Wala. Ako ni Mr. Andalas ang bola. Andalas for 3. Wala rin ako na. 5 to shoot. 5, 4, 3. Okay, wala na. Stay coming from Mr. Alasad. Alasad. 2 points. Secretario. On the pass. Andalas inside to Villacampa. Villacampa on the pass to Shasico. Kapit na ikong helicopter. Hey! What a nice block. Andalas on the outside, looking for a receiver. That's Mr. Secretario. Manaon. And just stealed the ball. Finds Mr. Blessing. Blessing. Heavily guarded by Pumikpik. Finds Mr. Erojo. Step back on the 3-point line. Wow! One as interception coming from Mr. Secretario. Or pass to Mr. Pumikpik. Pumikpik. Papikpik ako rin. Wala! Dahil Mr. Mensuaez ang bola. Mensuaez lays it up. Good. Hey, what a nice interception coming from Mensuaez for the lead. Interrupt. Ay Secretario. Wrong correct. Nakuha na siya ng bola. Erojo lays it up. Wala! Naka ni Mr. Shasico ang bola. Shasico. Oy! Wala! Ayaw. Pumikpik manages to steal the ball. On the pass to Secretario. hesitates, wala. Pumipig rin ako na po. Ma'am, paraplin ma'am. Okay, nakita. Okay, for 3, wala siya 5. Carlotto on a pass to Al-Assad. 15 to shoot. Al-Assad. Bessie. On a pass to Iroho for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Villanueva ang bola. On a pass to the third quarter ng Dula. Education versus SBPA. Score 22-31. 15 to shoot. Shasiko for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Al-Assad ang bola. 45 seconds. Carlotto for 3. Wala. Naglaga ng butong. Asa na tayo. On the 3-point line. Step back. Wala. Nagkuha ni Mr. Villanueva ang bola. Villanueva on the pass to Pumigbig. Pumigbig nagmamadali. Wala. Wala. Nagkuha ni Mr. Villanueva ang bola. Napisang secures the rebound by Mr. Carlotto. Carlotto on the pass to Al-Assad. Al-Assad. Wala. Nagkuha ng sabay ng bola. Iroha for 3. Wala. Message is there for the rebound. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last looking for a play, 15 seconds to shoot. Turning around, finds Mr. Pumigbig for 3. Wala! Nagkilaga ng 3. Nakuha ni Mr. Villanueva ang bola. Villanueva, inside to Shasiko. Suarez. Shasiko on the pass to Mr. Villanueva. Villanueva bumangga. 4 minutes, 3 minutes and 53 seconds. Villanueva on the 3-point line. Turn around. Wow! Then Suarez turn around, pulls up a J. Wala! Kaya Mr. Bessie ang bola. Bessie looking for a receiver. Finds Mr. Labo. Villanueva. Opens to the ball. Uy, Villanueva is there. Wala. Naka na Mr. Al-Assad ang bola. Al-Assad. On the pass to Mr. Mensuez. Mensuez lays it up. Wala gapon. Pumigbig. Regarded with 15 seconds to shoot. Finds Mr. Alfonso. Ito siya 5. Nakawala. Wala gapon. Mensuez. Iroho, driving side, almost losing the ball. Heavily guarded. With 10 to shoot. Now on Mr. Pumigbig ang bola. Pumigbig. 15 to shoot. Alforque hesitates. Shasiko on the lane. Wala. Mensuez. Tumaraon. Bangig. Points. Pumigbig. Direction side. Last 2 minutes. Alright, one nice play coming from Mr. Secretario. Secretario, no look pass to Pumigbig. Lays it up. Carlotto. On the pass, almost got intercepted. Iroho on the pass to Carlotto. Jab step on the pass. Wala. Shasiko. Finds Mr. Secretario. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Mensuez with a nice hop step. Mensuez. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Sad. Three. 1 second remaining. Shasiko on the pass to Pumigbig. 55 seconds remaining. And Loto on the pass to Malasarte for 3. Magig. Malasarte. Tumaraon for 3. Tulbong for 3. And Dallas lays it up. 2.2 seconds. $25.